A slow kitchen drain is annoying, and if ignored, will most likely get worse. The main reason kitchen drains back up is all the stuff people put in their garbage disposals. You might say, isn't it the job of the garbage disposal to grind up kitchen waste? Well, yes, but that doesn't mean it will all go through the pipe. Here are 3 common things your garbage disposal doesn't like. First, never pour hot grease down your disposal. When the grease cools, it congeals and clogs your kitchen drain. Your best approach is to let the grease cool and scrape it into your garbage can. Second, avoid putting coffee grounds and tea leaves into your garbage disposal. They'll collect in the drain trap right here. Before long, the drain will get clogged. Finally, don't put flour, pasta, rice, and potato or vegetable peels down your disposal. These kinds of foods bind together and clog your pipes. Here's one more quick tip to avoid a garbage disposal backup. Run the faucet with hot water for about 15 to 30 seconds after you turn off the disposal. This helps flush the line. If you'd like our help with your kitchen drain or garbage disposal, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.